Today I'm going to show you how to make them at home, and it's super easy if you follow these simple steps. In Cameroon we call them beignets maïs, and it's a very popular street food. So to start, we're gonna need a couple of very ripe bananas, and I used 6 in this video. I peel them and smash them anyhow, and to the mixture I'm gonna add 3 cups of yellow cornmeal, and these measurements are for about 12 servings. So if you need more or less servings, then you can do the math to add or reduce. I also need to add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and then I can set that aside and work on my liquid, which is just 2 cups of lukewarm water and 1 tablespoon of yeast and a quarter teaspoon of salt, or just a pinch of salt. So I can add that to my mixture, and also at this point you can optionally add sugar for people who like it to be a little bit more sweet, but I liked it this way. It was very nice. You can mix that and have the consistency that you see on the screen, and I just do my cleanup just to clear my bowl. Ideally you should set it aside for at least 4 hours, but we just came back from church and we were so hungry we couldn't wait for 4 hours, so we just fried it right away and it still came out great. But I think when you set it aside for at least 4 hours in a warm environment, I think it comes out better. But all the less, we fried it like that, but it was still great. You can fry it until they turn either golden brown or the color that you like without burning, of course. And yeah, that's it. So to my Cameroonians watching this, if you used to buy these on the roadside,